Hello, friends! Welcome to Max and Lily's Learning Adventures. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Let's go! A says ah. A is for apple.
B is for ball. C is for cat.
Duh! D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
F is for fish. G is for giraffe.
H is for house. I says I. I is for ice cream.
J says J. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange.
Pear panda. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger.
U says U. U is for umbrella. V says V. V is for violin.
X is for xylophone.
Y is for yo-yo.
Z is for zebra. Amazing! You learned all the letters from A to Z. Great job, friends! Look at all the colors and shapes we learned today. Red, blue, green, circle, square, triangle. Well done! Wow, we did amazing science experiments today. Mixing colors is bubbles and sparkles. Sharing is caring.
Thank you, Max.
Look how happy Max and Lily are when they share their toys. Thank you for joining Max and Lily today. Don't forget to subscribe and come back for more adventures.
See you next time, friends. Keep learning and having fun.